Mm. Mm. Yeah, they say I wrecked her. Yeah. Plus I had an erection when I came through when I wrecked her. Yeah, plus I didn't like her disrespect though. Yeah, my dick was spitting, I necked her. Yeah, keep that Glock up on that dresser. Yeah, and I be stressing out, but I ain't gon' stress her. Yeah, I be blowing out that loud. Yeah, spitting out them words, and I be drinking still reserved. Yeah, there's a yellow line dividing right side to the other lane, you know, so I just be driving in between, man. I don't know my direction, I just follow the direction from my erection, and I be spitting out that milky secretion. Yeah, them hoes, they be trying to treat you like you a peasant. But fuck giving a bitch a present. That's one thing I won't do is spend money on them bitches. If you do, then you's a fool. Let me take you back to school. Educate you dudes. The one thing them bitches trying to do is make way to close vehicle in your home, you know, and leave you with nothing. Won't even put money up on the phone. When you on lockdown, them bitches, they ain't holding you down. They just looking for the next cock to cock down. Yeah, nigga, watch how I cock it back and pop rounds. Yeah. Sirens coming, it's that cop sound, so I hit the block now, and I got a whole hood mapped out. I ran up in that shotgun house, front door and out the back now. Yeah, threw my pack down, cause I'm a 3-time felon. I ain't stressing, I ain't worried about what they telling, you know. Probably gonna snitch on that class D felonies, cause you bitches be so weak. You know, and I ain't worrying about what the fuck the judge is telling me, nigga. I be get gone, I be up under the moon, I be up making moves, and I be up pulling them tools. So if you snooze, you lose. Don't you know that? The early worm, it gets the early bird. Yeah, or the other way. You know what I'm trying to say.
He said the early worm gets the early bird.
Yeah, I'm showing them how it's done. And I don't even carry one. I just make a phone call. Just in case I had to borrow one. And my homie brings them with them gloves. And I make sure he has 2 pairs when he does. One that doesn't and one that does fits. And after I empty out the clip, I'ma ditch the one that doesn't fit. Cause in the courtroom, if the glove don't fit, then that must mean they must have quit. Johnny cracking that bitch. Big step. Why these hoes stressed? I don't know why.
Hanging out and everything.
That one was dope.